In this video, we're going to learn how to use a protractor, a tool we use to measure angles. Please like and subscribe for more math help. So a protractor looks like this. They might have various sizes or have a little bit different labeling process, but a basic protractor looks like this. And it's used to measure angles. Now, in previous videos, we talked about how angles were named and where the vertex is. And remember, a vertex is simply where the angle is formed. It's the kind of center of our angle. And oftentimes, we have an angle. I'm going to draw like this, like that, and like that. And we have this angle. We always want to put that kind of center of our protractor on the vertex. And then we want to put this bottom line on one of the two rays that makes up our vertex. And then we simply follow. So again, we put our vertex on that kind of centerpiece. I put one of my, I put this bottom line on one of the rays. And then we simply follow the other ray up to the angle. Now the one issue here is you see that it's 70 and 110. You see two numbers that it leads to. And in this case, what you need to understand or what you need to know are that 90 is considered a right angle, 90 degrees. So anything that is less than 90, right, would be smaller, this would be a right angle. Anything that falls over here is smaller. Anything that falls over here is larger. So in this case, this angle is 70 degrees because it's smaller than 90. Let's do another one. So let's say this time I'll draw it like this. So I put off, you'll be given like a piece of paper. You'll have to just place your protractor on the vertex with that bottom line, that zero line running along one of the rays. Do that. Okay, so now you see this is a very big angle. Again, if it only went from here to here, it would be 90, but this goes past 90. It's larger than 90 degrees. So even though we have two numbers, 40 and 140, this angle is going to be 140 degrees because it's larger than 90. Let's do another one. Let's start one going the other way. Okay, so here's my vertex, one ray. Of course, I put on that kind of bottom line. Let's say it was like this. Now again, you've got those two numbers. It's pointing at 120 or 60. I would look at this and say, well, if it's starting here, remember, going all the way up to this line, this vertical, that is 90. It did not go that far. It went less than 90. So this angle must be 60 degrees. I often do that, get everything lined up and then just say to yourself, okay, did it achieve that 90 degrees? Did it go past vertical or not on my protractor? Let's do one more. So let's say we have this. Again, always put that horizontal on one of the rays. Like that. So again, you see that line is pointing at either 20 or 160. And if we're starting here on this ray and we're going around, well, this right here is 90. It keeps going. It's more than 90, so it must be that 160 degrees. Again, this is just a great way to measure angles. Please like and subscribe for more geometry.